All right, guys, here's one of our installs we completed not long ago. 75-inch Samsung QN90 log home. There's no wiring. Customer had no idea where to put the TV. It just was not working out anywhere. This home was built in the 70s, pre-flat screens. So we came up with a solution with a nice little cabinet right here. We have some calf towers, center tower, sub in the corner. They also had some internet issues. We included a Starlink install. We used a particular mount that is a high mount, slim mount that is very high. And it's not your traditional mount. The mounting plate is very, very high, and there's just like a little slip-on bracket there so the TV can hang down like this. We hid the wire. We've installed an outlet behind there, but we hid the wire inside this trim behind here. We popped this trim out, and we kind of try to do as clean of a concealment as we can. It's not sheetrock. We have solid beams here. You know, those log homes, they're never easy to work with. Everything goes down in there. We have a DirecTV box, Panamax tower conditioner, a nice Marantz Cinema 60, Apple TV driving or streaming, and yeah, so nice little setup, nice cozy little vacation retreat here. And when the blinds go down, you know, it's a blackout and you have plenty of watching. It's a 75-inch, so not the biggest, but plenty big here for this room, that, you know, we can try to maintain the log feel yet with a slim TV in there and give it some size and proportion if you're watching TV from over here. So yeah, the little 3.1 system here with a nice TV, log, wire concealment, Starlink setup. Customer's very happy. They do rock out this room when they're having little parties here. It gets pretty loud being inside this, you know, big box. All right, stand by for another one.